Then we saw suggestion should be plus V3. So these are the basic changes that we come across while converting sentences from active voice to passive voice. Today we will see such many other sentences and how they get converted to passive voice. And at the end of the class we will see practically we will see some sentences. And next class would be the final class for unit number 2. Active passive will be over in the next class. And you will have then one quiz on Saturday and Sunday. You will get link for the quiz today itself, but you are not supposed to send your response today. Your response will be means quiz will be open only for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, in 5th September and 6th September. So in 2 days you will have one quiz for active passive, and tomorrow we will have practically we will see some sentences. Tomorrow we will convert many sentences, and that means that by Sunday our unit number 2 active passive will be over. If then somebody have a problem from you, you can ask. So let us understand today. To begin with, modal auxiliaries. Sometimes we have modal auxiliaries in the sentence. For example, when there is a modal auxiliary such as will and shall. Will and shall, they are not to be, but they are modal auxiliaries. They are used in the simple past tense. Sorry, simple future tense. So these are the modal auxiliaries verb. For example, I would purchase a new pen. I can write an essay. I may visit Pune next week. I dare to speak to the principal. I ought to come on time. I need to do some homework. I used to go to temple. These are the sentences which contain modal auxiliary. So when there is modal auxiliary in the sentence, it is very easy to convert them into passive voice. So what is the structure of the sentence? Modal auxiliaries plus B plus V3. Means along with modal auxiliary there will be main verb, action verb. So that means that there will be no change with modal auxiliary. B will be used and V3. In the passive voice always V3 is used. Let us see some example of modal auxiliaries. For example, the students should learn the verbs. Okay, should learn the verbs. This is active voice. Now look at the passive of that sentence. Modal auxiliaries plus B plus V3. Here there is a mistake in the sentence. Sorry. Okay, should plus P plus V3. The verbs, okay, અહીંયા object છે subject ના સ્થાને આવી જશે. The verbs should be learned by the students. You must speak English. So English model auxiliary P plus V3 must be spoken by you. So it is very easy. Model auxiliary plus B plus V3. Let us see some more sentence. Okay, so this is the structure. Subject, model auxiliary B plus V3 by an object. Okay, let us see some more example. Now, infinitives. Infinitives means in which main verb is used with the to before it. To finish, to make, to work. I have to work, for example. I am to go, or I was to go in the past tense. So when main verb appears in the sentence with to before it is infinitive. So two sentences you can see on the screen. I am to finish this work, to finish. And students have to make notes. Students have to make notes. So these are example of infinitives. So when there is infinitive, what is the rule for the change? Object will become subject. So this work, okay, એમ સાથે I સાથે એમ આવશે, this work સાથે to be is આવશે, and to be V3 to be finished. This work is to be finished. Or here you can say make notes. Notes plural. There will be auxiliary. Auxiliary to આવશે જ બરાબર. Have notes have to be. So to finish become to be finished. To made become to make will become to be made by students. To be made. Okay, clear with the infinitives. Okay, to be plus V3. To V1 will become 2b plus v3. Then we have infinitives, more example. They were to buy a car. બરાબર, તે ખરીદવાના હતા. ખરીદી છે એમ નહીં, તે ખરીદવાના હતા. So they were to buy a car. So a car singular was to be bought. 2b plus v3 by them. And he was to sell his freeze. His freeze was to be sold by him. So these are infinitives. Then we have is time to. When you have sentence like this, it is time to. V1. When there is two, then there will be after two there will be always V1 of the verb. To close the office. The office is a noun. So it is time. To ને બદલે શું થઈ જાય છે? It is time for the office to be closed. Okay, please pay attention. It is time. If phrase તો same રહેશે. For The office will be at the subject place to be V3. To be closed. Second example, it is time to give the final warning. So it is time for the final warning to be given. Okay. So it is time to, for example, it is time to complete the task. So it is time for the task the task to be completed. Okay. Let us see some more example. So it is time for, this is the construction of basic. The noun means the task or the warning or the office to be V3. Very easy. We will see more. Sentence begins with there. There is B form. Is the B. There is a lot of work to complete. So at the end, to complete will become to be completed. There is a lot of work to be completed. Very easy. There is no time to lose. It will become there is no time to lose will become to be lost. To be plus V3. Again very easy. Then we have infinitives means 2 plus V1. It will become 2B plus V3. 2V1, for example, to work, to be worked, to learn, to be learned, to write, to be written, to buy, to be bought, to speak, to be spoken. In that way. Let us see, for example, verbs showing state of mind or feeling. I know him. Now, knowing is not the action, it is the state of mind or sense of emotion or feeling. Amaze. In the second sentence, you can see the result amazes me, pleases me, irritates me. Okay, these are the verbs which do not show any action but state of mind or emotion or feeling. So, I know him. I is a subject, know verb, and him. So, it is simple present tense. No, V1. So, according to be plus V3. So, he is known to me. I જે છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટમાં it will become me. And the result amazes me. Again, simple present tense. Okay, sentence is wrong completely. We have to change. Okay, so I am amazed at the result. Let us see few more verbs with appropriate prepositions. He laughed at me. So that is again very easy. Simple past tense. I was laughed at by him. Laughed at by him. So at will be along with the verb. Laugh. The police is inquiring into the matter. Into. So the matter is being inquired into. Inquired પછી into આવશે બરાબર. The matter is being inquired into by the police. So here it is missing, but please take note of this. In the red font, there will be into by inquired. So the matter is being continuous present tense. To be plus being plus v3 inquired into by matter. So એ inquire જે verb છે એ v3 પેસિવમાં એના પછી જે કોઈ પણ preposition હોય તે આવશે. Then we see sentence with ask. I asked Mayur if he went to Mumbai. Now if he went to Mumbai, બરાબર, એ તો complete phrase છે, એમાં કોઈ change થશે નહીં. પણ main જે action છે it is for asking. So asked v2 simple past tense. So to be plus v3. So was plus asked v3. So Mayur asked me. Okay, me is missing. So please do take note of this. I hope that you understand it. Okay. Then we have they asked me. So I was asked, okay, by them if I knew his address. And positive verbs. I made him polish my shoes. Okay, so to polish my shoes, e phrase જે છે તો complete રહેશે. Made is the main verb છે. Simple past tense. So to be plus v3 was made. Him, will become subject. He was made to polish my shoes. For example, I made them write some sentences. So they were made to write some sentences. They found me crossing the road. Me become subject. I was found. Found means v2 simple past tense. So to be plus v3 was found crossing the road. I believe અથવા તો I know that he is or she is. Look at the sentence. They believed that Mr. Shukla was very rich. So they believed. The believed is v2 means simple past tense. So to be plus v3. So was plus v3 believed. Rest of the sentence, the phrase remains the same. They believed that Mr. Shukla was very rich. So that Mr. Shukla was very rich. There will be no change. Main verb is the believe. It is in the v2 form. So to be plus v3 was believed. But you have to add it at the beginning. See, they believed. So it was believed by them. Okay, but by them, if you don't use in the sentence, fine. So it was believed that Mr. Shukla was very rich. Everyone knows that he is an engineer. it is known by everyone, okay, that he is an engineer. Or else, second possibility, he is known to be an engineer. Okay, so knows, simple present tense, to be plus V3, so is known. બરાબર, conjunction થી જોડાયેલા બે sentences. They looted the shop, one action, and they took away the money, second action. તો બંને સેન્ટેન્સીસને આપણે પેસિવમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા પડશે. Looted the shop, see the looted the verb, V2 past tense. Took away, took, again V2. So the shop was looted and money was taken. 2p plus V3. Okay, double passive. She wrote the book and got published. Wrote the book, again simple past tense, got published. So the book, બરાબર, અહીંયા book જે છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ બની જાય. The book was written to be plus V3 and got published her by her. Okay, two objects. I gave me, yeah, he gave me a book. આ તો આપણને તમને બધાને ખ્યાલ જ છે, આપણે જોઈ લીધું છે. અગેન સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સ, બરાબર. તો બે ઓબ્જેક્ટ હોય સેન્ટેન્સમાં, કાં તો મી જે છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટ લઈને પણ બની શકે. આઈ વોઝ ગિવન અ બુક બાય હિમ, અથવા તો તમે બુકને લઈ લ્યો, અ બુક વોઝ ગિવન ટુ મી બાય હિમ. બરાબર. રોહિત ટીચર્સ અસ ઇંગ્લિશ. So here two objects, us and English. English is taught to us by Rohit, or else English we were taught. But English का तो subject ના સ્થાને લઈ શકાય ને કાં તો we લઈ શકાય. There are two objects. This is known to you. Okay. Now let us do practice of some of the sentences. Then we will understand. So you can see the variety. There is nothing, like variety. Just understand the phrasal verbs at the end or sometime at the beginning, or the role of the conjunction. But you have to pick up the dominant verb, main verb in the sentence. Rest of the things will be without any change. So now we will do practice. Be ready in your chat box. Let us begin. Because unless we do practice, this cannot be learned. Active and passive. Practice is the fundamental key. Okay, now try to convert this into passive. They should have learned the verbs. Yes, very good. Mega, Sveta, Kushi, Janvi, and Vaibhavi. Very nice. So the verbs, the verbs should, કોઈ ફેરફાર નહીં, have been પૂર્ણ છે, learned by them. Very good. Let us see a few more examples. Sentence number 2. Sita can sing this song. Auxiliary. Sita can sing this song. Very good, Mega. Other students. Yes, Kushi, Vaibhavi, this song can modal auxiliary B plus V3 can be sung by सीता. नामમાં કોઈ ફેરફાર નહીં. सीता. Very good, Jay, Om, Raj, Shweta. So this song can be okay modal auxiliary B plus E3. For example, we should obey our parents. We should obey our parents. So parents तो पहला આવશે જ. Our parents. Okay, Megha, Vaibhavi, good. Should be okay. O T by us. Okay, here is the should plus B plus V3. Good. I may buy a new pen. Modal auxiliary. Yes. Okay. Krusali, Kushi, Shanvi, Viraj, Sweta, and Drishti. Okay. Very good. Again, Megha, Vaibhavi, Viraj. So a new pen may be P3 bought by me. Good. Then okay, so maybe modal auxiliary plus P plus V3. He used to sell vegetables. Used to. Again, modal auxiliary. Very good. Very good. See, Viraj, Megha, Kushi. Yes, three reply. Vegetables. Yes, used to be sold by used to will remain used to. Then B V3 by him. Okay, used to be V3. Okay, next. She ought to help the poor. Modal auxiliary. Ought to help the poor. Very good, Megha. Yes, Viraj. The poor. Ought to modal auxiliary E plus P3. Help to be helped. Okay, so ought to modal auxiliary B plus V3. Okay, by her. Very good, Om, Trusty. They might tell the truth. Modal auxiliaries. might, B plus V3. Very good. Kushi, Vaibhavi, Viraj, Rutu. Good answer. The truth might. No change with modal auxiliary. Might modal auxiliary plus B. 3. Might be told is 3 by him. Good. Might be E3. More example, I could not tolerate humiliation. Negative. Could not. યસ યા કુડ નોટ હશે. મોડલ ઓક્ઝિલરી માં કોઈ ફેરફાર આપણે નહીં કરીએ. ગુડ. કેન નોટ હોય તો કેન નોટ રહેશે, કુડ નોટ હોય તો કુડ નોટ રહેશે. હ્યુમિલિએશન મોડલ ઓક્ઝિલરીમાં કોઈ ફેરફાર નહીં કરવાનો. કુડ ફર્સ્ટ ઓક્ઝિલરી પછી સીધું નોટ. કુડ નોટ બી. હા મેઇન વર્બ બી થ્રીમાં tolerated by કુડ એ મોડલ ઓક્ઝિલરી છે, એમાં કોઈ ફેરફાર નહીં થાય. કુડ છે તો એ કોણ કુડ જ રહેશે, કેન નહીં થાય. The humiliation could not be tolerated. Very good. More example. It is time to stop writing. It is time to stop writing. રાઇટિંગ છે એ અહીંયા શું છે? નાઉન જેરુન છે, બરાબર. વર્બને આઈએનજી લગાડી અને when it is used as a noun in the sentence then it is called gerund. હા very good. Yes. મેઘા, વિરજ, ખુશી. So it is time for, બરાબર, conjunction for. ઓકે. આર્ટિકલ હોય તો યુઝ કરવાનું, ન હોય તો નહીં યુઝ કરવાનું. ફોર ધ રાઇટિંગ ઓર રાઇટિંગ or writing to be stopped. Very good. Okay. To be stopped. To stop. Infinitive શું થઈ જશે? To be V3. More example. There is no work to do. To do again. Infinitive. There is no work to do. Very good, Megha. Yes. There is no work to be done. To do નું શું થઈ જશે? To be V3. Done. Very good. Okay. Drashti, Janvi, Kushi, Jai. There is no work to be done. Very good. More example. The news surprised all. Okay. Surprise. Emotion, feeling, state of mind. Simple past tense. All were surprised by the news. Very good. Barabar? All were. Preposition by will be used. Yes. All were surprised by the news. Very good. Number all is the plural અને surprise past tense to be plus V3. I smiled at them. Position at remove નહીં થાય. At સેન્ટેન્સમાં રાખવાનું છે preposition. I smiled at them. Smiled, simple past tense. Very good, Megha, Sweta. They were smiled. Sweta, you forgot to be three. Vaibhavi, Kusi, yes, good. So they were smiled at. રાખવાનું છે preposition at by me. Hello, next sentence. They made him king. Compliment. This is compliment. This is called compliment in the sentence. He was made king by. Okay, made simple past tense. So to be plus V3. So was made. Made. Okay, made no V3 પણ made જ થશે. So he was made king by him. Very good. Good reply. Good. Yes. Rutu, Drashti, Sweta, Kushi, Renish, Om. He was made king by them. Okay, made is the principal verb in the sentence. Simple past tense. So here to be plus V3. More example, people say that he is intelligent. That he is intelligent is a phrase. This is main verb. This is object. Yes, it is said that he is intelligent. People is the subject. If you remove in the yes. Now people means it is common, general. You can remove yes. It's said by the people. No need to write. It is said that he is intelligent. Good. Very good. It is said that he is intelligent. Okay. Next example. Police arrested thieves and sent to jail. Double sentence. Two actions. Arrested the thieves and sent to jail. Past tense. Simple past tense. Very good. The thieves were arrested and sent to jail by police. Thieves connection were arrested and sent to jail. બરાબર અહીંયા ધ આર્ટિકલ ધ નહીં આવે બરાબર જેલ પહેલા શું કામ કોઈ પણ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન હોય ધ હોસ્પિટલ ધ સ્કૂલ ધ કોલેજ હોસ્પિટલ બરાબર જે પર્પઝથી એ જે પર્પઝ જે સર્વ કરે છે એના અર્થમાં સેન્ટેન્સમેનનો ઉપયોગ થયો હોય તો આપણે ધ યુઝ કરતા નથી. બરાબર. જેલમાં આ લોકો જે છે થયું હોય તો એને એ લોકોને જેલમાં જ અરેસ્ટ કરીને લઈ જવાના હોય છે. તો પર્પઝ ઇઝ ધ સેમ. ઇન ધેટ કેસ આર્ટિકલ ધ વિલ નોટ બી યુઝડ. બટ કોઈ બીજા પર્પઝથી ત્યાં જવાનું થાય છે. બરાબર. આઈ વેન્ટ ટુ ધ જેલ ટુ મીટ માય રિલેટિવ. બરાબર. તો ત્યાં અર્થમાં પર્પઝ જે છે એક અલગ થઈ જાય છે, તો ત્યાં આર્ટિકલ ધ નો ઉપયોગ થશે. ઓકે. સેન્ટ ટુ જેલ. ઓકે. બાય ધ પોલીસ એ તમે એડ ન કરો તો પણ ચાલશે. ધ thieves were arrested and sent to jail. એ બાય પોલીસ જ હોય. ઓકે, ફાઇન. બટ યુ કેન ઓલ્સો રાઇટ બાય ધ પોલીસ. ઓકે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વેરી ગુડ. લાસ્ટ, the teacher asked him a question. Last sentence for today. Very good, Megha. He was asked a question by the teacher. Asked will become to be plus V3. Asked. Okay, Jay. So he was asked a question by the teacher. Very good. To be plus P3. Good efforts. All of you have replied very well throughout the session. So tomorrow again we will have. Yes, of course. Yeah. Hmm. Him and a question. There are two objects. Yeah, two possibility. A question. Also write a question was. પછી who use કરવાનું રહેશે. Asked to him by the teacher. Very good. Okay, now you can write your roll number. Tomorrow we will see again more sentences. So don't miss. Then I will share link and you will have to attempt that 20 questions on active and passive voice. Okay, so we stop here. We end here today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.